Hello Year 11, this video is on how best to use your read-in time for Language Paper 1. For Language Paper 1, you have one source to read. That source will be relatively modern. It will be either from the 21st century, so this century, or the 20th century. In this 15 minutes, you have to make sure that you understand the source, so you have to read it carefully at least once. We're not skim reading here, we're not scanning, we are reading carefully and making sure that we understand. Now, different students read at different speeds. That's got nothing to do with how good a reader you are. And different students find this piece of the exam either the difficult bit or the easy bit. It's really personal. So I'm going to cover the different ways you can approach it. If you are somebody who's a very fast reader, great, but don't rush. Make sure you're slowing yourself and you're paying proper attention. If you don't need the full 15 minutes and you feel really confident, you can move on. But for most of us, we are going to take most of the 15 minutes to read this paper, read this insert. It will be at least a page long, probably a page and a bit. At the top of the page, there will be a box, and that box will explain what the source is about. So if you look at the practice insert that you have, you'll see that box explains what the text is about, and that will help you understand the passage itself. Now, you may wish in the exam to follow the text with a ruler. That may be helpful. You may want to use the answer booklet folded up to give you a straight edge if you don't have a ruler on you, and follow through each line carefully. Another strategy, if you find this reading part of the exam tricky, is to read the topic sentences first. That's the first sentence in the paragraph. Highlight them and read them first, and just from reading all of those topic sentences, you will get a sense of what the text is about, and then you can go and read the full thing. Again, if you find this section of the paper difficult, you can also read it one paragraph at a time, chunking it into individual paragraphs. And after every paragraph, you can write down a keyword to explain, remind yourself what that paragraph was about. So different people are going to be approaching this part of the text differently. Either you're a fast reader and you just read it through. You might have a highlighter in your hand and highlight key bits as you go. If you find this bit of the paper difficult, you're going to be doing some extra things. You're going to be reading those topic sentences first to get a sense of what the passage is about. And you're going to be reading it one paragraph at a time and writing down a key word for each paragraph. Now, this is your chance to practice those skills by stopping this video and reading the insert in the practice paper you've been given for this half term.